Keep watching this video if you want to find out how SheIn press-on nails really hold up with everyday wear. Hey sis, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I do fashion hauls and lookbooks, press-on nail reviews, travel, and be sure to check out my playlist with all of my shorts. So if you have not, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. So from the title of this video, I am going to be reviewing some nails that I got from SheIn and how they really stood up to everyday wear. All of these nails I purchased from SheIn, and you can watch both of my haul videos here and here. Let me just preface this by saying these nails are cheap and I do not expect them to last super long at all. Okay, so this is just to give you a review of how long they actually do last. I'm going to be reviewing 3 specific sets of nails, so let's get into it. So the first nails that I want to review are the cow print fake nail set. Okay, these were $2.50. So with these nails, I had these nails on probably 3 days. 4 if I'm being generous, okay? Possibly 4 days, and then I took them off. The tip print, like the print where, you know, the tip of the nail where the print is, was starting to scratch. It was starting to wear, and a lot more than my other nails have. So you could really see a big difference between where the print was and where the actual nail was. And I was like, this is only going to go downhill from here. So let's just take them off. I would suggest to make these last longer, adding a gel top coat to this. So you can either do a matte or glossy, that's your business, but that should make these nails last a lot longer because they weren't falling off. It was just that the print was rubbing off. So you can do that, put it under a lamp to cure it, and it should last a lot longer, at least a week. Next up is the Minimalist fake nail set. And these were $3. I wore them exactly how they have them in the picture. One hand was red, one hand was white. The design on this nail wore impeccably, okay? Like, there was not a scratch. It really did not wear off at all. But these nails started to crack, okay? Like, I literally had cracks going down the center of the nail probably around like day 3 or so. They weren't coming off. They were just starting to crack. So much so, I think probably had them on for about 7 days. One of them actually cracked here and broke. So that's what it was. But you could barely see them if you were far enough away, but if you got up close, you could definitely see the cracks in the nails. Nothing really split at the tips, but they were just starting to split down the middle of the nails. Because we're in a pandemic, people shouldn't be up on you anyway, so they really should not be able to see the cracks, and you can still look like you were doing the darn thing, honey. So I would still suggest these nails. Just know I probably wouldn't wear them past like 6 days. Like I said, they're going to start to really crack, so just beware of that. Lastly is the Leopard fake nail set. They were $3.50. These wore really, really well. I didn't notice any cracks. The print was fading very minimally, okay? Because if you know, especially with plastic nails, the edges start to wear. No matter if you have a solid color or whatever, they just start to round out. So the print on said nail is also going to start to round out or fade a bit, shall I say. So that was pretty much it. I expected the nail to fade. Didn't really have any issues with these nails. The nail bed of these was impeccable. They almost look like they were like my real nails, y'all. Like, the nail bed was the perfect color. Perfect color. So that is it, sis. I'll make sure to link all of the nails in this video in the description box below, and comment if this video was helpful. I do want to do more of these videos as I wear the nails so that you guys can really find out if these nails are worth it, if they're only going to last a day, or if they'll last longer. So as you can see, some of these didn't last anytime at all. I'll make sure to review some of my Amazon nails as well in the next video. So until next time, sis, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.